Do you find yourself switching back and forth between your production and test environments often? Do you sometimes click on a link in Time Warp only to find yourself sent to a record or form in production? And even worse, did you submit that form without realizing the environment had changed? In today's video, we'll show you how to use relative links so that you won't have to worry about these scenarios anymore. First, let's take a look at this event portal. As an example, we are hyperlinking to our inquiry form as well as embedding that same form directly on the portal. If this was a recently provisioned test or Time Warp environment, the link would lead you back to production, and submitting the embedded form would save that data directly in production as well. We want to avoid these situations, and by using relative links, the hyperlink and embedded form URLs are instance aware. Let's do this together. We're going to open up the static content block that has the hyperlink we are updating. This is typically what we see. For this link, we are going to delete everything before /register. Notice the protocol had changed to other. This is normal. Go ahead and save. Easy, right? Next, we'll do the same thing for our embedded form. This time, click on the source editor, and we're going to update the URL to remove the part before /register, similar to what we did before. Click Save, and you're all set. Visually, everything will look the same on our portal, but the next time you refresh your test environment or provision a new Time Warp, the link and embedded form will now point to those respective environments. You can use relative links throughout Slate wherever you may be linking to another page, such as on a custom dashboard, forms, events, or other portals. We hope you found this tip helpful. Be sure to subscribe to get the latest info, and we'll see you in the next one.